Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, August 17th. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. I believe we are doing this wave 4 here in the higher time frame. So 1, 2, 3. Now this wave 4 and then a wave 5 should follow, as we will see on the 1 hour and the 15 minute. We are reaching, or we reach the areas from where we can expect a reversal again to the upside. So this wave 4 might be finished, but yeah, I also have to warn you, like I did in my weekend analysis, that this here might be a trap in the sense that on the higher time frame, or wave 2 low is not in yet, but that we are doing a larger corrective move, which would mean that we take out this low again, and that we have a lower wave 2. And so then the trap would be that everybody is expecting here a wave 4, just like I do. But this can also be like the perfect ABC. So a perfect ABC correction to the upside, like A, B, C with this extended wave C, like we see here on the daily. So A, B, and then here this wave C. You would expect a wave 4 and a wave 5, but we only moved in a 3, 1, 2, 3, which is then corrective. So this is something to keep in mind. That does not mean I will still initiate long trades from here, but I just want to say it's important to manage your trades, to protect your trades early. If you're stopped out, just take it lower again. But I will not lean back and think that this here will be the trade of my life and we fly to the moon. Just be careful, do your risk management, because it can be a trap. However, this is not my primary scenario. My primary scenario is that we are doing this wave 4, and that this wave 4 will soon be finished, or at least the first part of a correction will soon be finished. Let's have a look at the 1 hour here. So I believe we did or we are doing a WXY structure here. So this here is our high. Then we had an ABC to do the wave W, shallow wave X, and now again an ABC to do the wave Y. So then we can calculate some areas from where we might return. If we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area from where we can expect reaction to the upside. And as you can see, we touched it and there was already a little reaction to the upside, but now it looks like we are coming back. So yeah, let's see how this further plays out. And then here also, if we take no, I'm sorry. So this wave Y should be corrective, and then if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then we have this area here where the wave C should end between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So this is yeah, so from here we can expect reversal. I know this is still quite a big area. Could be that we are finished here. Could be that we go deeper into this area. Um, so I had my first entry here, but I might be stopped out already. I have to check. I put it my first entry here at the bottom, at the top of this zone. I protected my trade when I saw this first reaction, but I might be stopped out by now. I have to check. But yeah, if I'm stopped out, I will try to catch it lower. Um, yeah, this is now how I play it. I know that we can return from this zone, but of course I like to improve my risk reward ratio. So I look for the best possible entry. So if we get lower into this area, I would definitely pay attention to this level also, like what could happen today or tomorrow is that we first take out this low here before we have a reversal to the upside. Um, this is something that happens often. Like a lot of traders put they see a low and they put their stop loss here. Like they want to go long from here, and they put their stop loss at this low. And then what the big money does is they go down, break this low, take the liquidity, so the stop loss orders, and maybe even new short positions, and then they reverse to the upside, and so you're stopped out, and yeah, you lost your money, and we are further heading in the direction you were planning to trade. So I think this might also, if we go deeper into this area, this might also an interesting area to enter here, actually below this low here. So this is also something I'm looking at. Let's first see if this holds. Um, yeah, you can also just like split your orders in this area. This is also a possibility to play it. You can analyze the lower time frame to see if we have a finished impulse to the downside that ends with divergence. Like if we look at the 15-minute, so I believe this is our one, this is our two, and yeah, this here. Um, this might be a tree, or the tree is not even finished yet, I think. So that would mean that a wave 4 and a wave 5 can follow deeper into this area. This is yeah, this is also a possibility. So yeah, we have to see what we get today, but I'm definitely looking here at this area to go long. So this is what I see for today. Entries for a long trade, but be careful. Do your risk management, because, like I said at the beginning of the video, it might also be a trap. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis of the Nasdaq. And yeah, for the moment, I do not really see. Yeah, yeah, there is no reason to go short right now. We reached the area from where we can have a reversal, so I would not do a short right now. I would only look for a long trade, but yeah, I would say be careful. And then yesterday I also got the question on the YouTube channel. If I was trading this wave 4 here, or how do I trade this wave 4? So if you have questions like this, please feel free to comment on YouTube or on the other platforms. So yeah, how I do this, of course, like now we are here. Yeah, ideally, like I catch, if you follow me for a while, so I don't know when this was, 19th of July, like I was quite successful in predicting this top because I analyzed the lower time frame. Like I went to the 5 minutes and I could see that we would reverse here. And so how did I trade this wave 4? Like I could catch this first leg down here of the wave 4, but yeah, the problem is it can always be over with after 3 waves. And so here we had 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. And like you see, I indicated this area for a possible reversal. And this is also where I took my profit, because your correction can be over after 3 waves, like 1, 2, 3. This is the minimum for a correction. So it could be that our wave 4 was finished here if we would have a shallow correction. So when we were here, I didn't know like we would end up here. So that's why I take my profit here, because we can start to move up again. So I took my profit here, and then then you look for another entry, because like then you see that we started to move in 5 here. So if this is 5 waves, it means it cannot be the end of our correction. It means we should have a wave B and then a wave C, and this is actually what happened. And I took another short from here, from this area. It's also indicated on my charts. I also told it in my YouTube videos that I was looking for a short here, because I first thought the wave B was over here after 3 waves. So a wave B is corrective, 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So I took a short here. I took partial profits here. I planned to take full profits once we took out this wave A, but we didn't took out this wave A, and here I was quite surprised that we went up again, uh, because I expected 3 waves correction, but in the end we had this expanding triangle, actually, some quite an exceptional shape, but it happens, and apparently we had it here as a wave B. So here I started to doubt, so I didn't go short anymore from here. But then when we started to go down here, I went short again, because then I saw, okay, now we are doing the C leg. So again down, and then here I took again full profit, because after 3 waves it can be over 1, 2, 3, the correction. And indeed we started to move up. My plan was again to short, but here then here for the NASDAQ we did not really reach the extreme areas. Like this was only a shallow wave X retracement, so my short orders were not filled, but here they were filled for the Dow Jones and the FTSE, if I remember well. Yeah, the Dow Jones and the FTSE. So there I had the rest of the wave 4 correction. So it's also wave 4 in the Dow Jones and the FTSE. It's another correction, but it was also a corrective move. So yeah, this is a bit how I played the wave 4, like just shorting from the extreme areas. Like, okay, now that we are here, the best thing would have been to stay short from here. I know, but you never know that you will get here. Like every time after 3 waves it can be finished. That's why you take profit. 1, 2, 3, take profit. Okay, we move up again. You see that this becomes a wave A, so 5 waves. So 5 waves cannot be corrective, which means that a wave B and a wave C should follow. Okay, 3 waves up, go short again. Okay, here I was surprised then that we had the expanding triangle, but then again, good, yeah, short from here. Then we went up. The plan was again to short, because like even if you go up in a wave 1, you should go down as a wave 2. So it's again quite safe to short. But here we did not reach the area then. So yeah, this is what you have to do, I think, with a wave 4. Just wait for the extreme areas, like I did here or here, but the order was not filled here, and go short from there. And take your profits early, because every time after 3 waves it can be finished. Here it could be finished, here it could be finished, and now the same is here. It can be finished or a bit more downside, but then again from here we might go up in 3, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, I need more data, but I will not exclude that from here I go short again, just to anticipate the double correction. The double correction in the sense that so a bigger WXY, WXY down. So this is something that can happen. But let's first now look at this here. What will be the reaction from this area? Okay, so yeah, some analysis, but also some educational content. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. If you are interested to have access to my charts, please have a look at my website, and you can also follow me on Twitter, where I might post updates during the day. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.